What's good everyone, welcome back with another video here. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 different possible reasons of overheating your PS4, and also I'll give you some of the easy and effective solutions that will help you out from the overheating issue and cool down your PS4. So further any delay, let's jump right into the video. So the first and most important part of overheating issue is to ensure the proper ventilation of your console, because if you have a poor ventilation system, then you can have this problem. Now to ensure the proper ventilation, first you just go ahead and make sure to keep your console in an open and well ventilated area. And at the same time, also concern about the cable management that the console can compress proper airflow. And secondly, also try cleaning the ventilated area with a soft brush, because sometimes the dust and particle can cause the problem. And also don't forget to check out the cooling fan is working properly or not. Well, so in the next step, we're going to talk about the high temperature issue. If you keep your console somewhere where the temperature is literally high for any reason, then you might have this overheating issue. So now, in order to fix this problem, be sure to keep your console in the normal temperature, and also try using an external cooling stand that cool down your PS4. And the last and final reason to have the overheating issue is the running out of storage. And also if you're using any external faulty devices like your extended drive, pen drive, and the game disk. Now if you're full of storage, then the game and the application cannot run properly in the background, and the reason why the console started overheating. So now to get rid of from this problem, be sure to free up some storage on your PS4. And also if you're using any external devices, then make sure it is not faulty. It's better to not use any faulty device with your PS4. Now to solve this problem, go ahead and eject the external devices and then check out your issue. Well, so there's another important thing that you need to remember, that if you are playing games for extended period of time, then it can cause the overheating issue. So after playing a long period of time, give some rest to your PS4 to cool it down. And I hope these simple tricks help you guys out in order to solve your overheating problem on your PS4. If not, then it could be a hardware issue. To fix this out, you need to take your PS4 to a service center. And that's all about this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you do, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you up in the next one, and thank you very much for watching.